Hey guys, this is Northville Tech. In this video, we're going to learn how to schedule a transfer on Chase. Open the website, then click Sign In. Now, sign in with your username and password. Once you're signed in, you will see several tabs at the upper part of the screen. Click on the tab that says Pay and Transfer. Then a drop-down list will appear. Click on Transfer Money. Now you have to enter the required information. First, select the From and To accounts. Next, enter the amount you wish to transfer. After that, select the transfer date. You could also add a memo, but it is just optional. Now select a delivery method. You can choose between real-time, which will be sent right away, or standard method, which takes 1 to 2 business days. In this video, we selected standard delivery method. Click on the option you wish to select, then click on Next. Lastly, review the transfer details. If everything looks good, click on Transfer Money. That's how you schedule a transfer on Chase. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos related to financial apps almost every day. Also, check out our website northvilletech.com for great tech articles, and our recommended resources in the description below for various sign-up bonuses.